Nā, hei ngā wiki tata nei ka tau ngā waiwai o te manu tioriori nei no te ao Kapa Haka o Ria Hall ki runga manga hou i te kōrihitanga ake o āna waiata hou ki te ao Pūrangia Hall. Hei tāna me kaha ake ngā manu waiata katoa o Aotearoa ki te timo i te ahurea Maori. Nā whai anō e whakapeto atu nei ia i ōna ngoi ki ngā hauturuki o te wā. Arā kia putai i a rātou o rātou ake reo ahurei. Anei tā mātou manu kāewa a tahuri tūmoana.
3, 2, 3, 4,
Ko te manakoa te katoa, kia mahutāke rātou hei whetū. E hara tēnei mahi ma te waiwai tūtuki, enari ma te upoko pakaru ka eke, mai konei, ki konei. Kātahi anō a Ria Hall ka hopu i ona ke waiata ki runa kōpai puoro.
It's taken me a while, but I think coming of age, it's made me see the world a lot differently, and I think that this was actually the better time for me to release some music of my own.
Ko Ria Hall tētahi o nā manu tioriori o te ao Kapa Haka. He reo rō reka ia no te ropu Kapa Haka o te waka huia. Hei te marama o hono noi ka whakatere e ia tōna kōpai puoro tuatahi.
It's different. It's a sound that that I don't think Māori have been privy to, and I think it's a sound that will be quite prominent moving forward, going into the future, and I think it's where we're going as Māori too.
Kei roto i nā reo e rua te kōpai nei, he kaupapa i takea mai i ana mahi Kapa Haka.
And I use Te Wakahuia and Kapa Haka as the foundation through which I stand firm in the music world. And I think that's really important as Māori, especially trying to move into another realm of musicality, that it's, we need to make sure we stand strong and know who we are, and Kapa Haka provides that base for me as a young Māori woman.
Anō te rereke tana o te Kapa Haka, ki nā waiata e nā kaunui tiana e te huna taiohi. Kia whakatairana hia ko nā waiata Māori, koe nei te pūtake i noho tahi ai nā tohu nā waiata, me te huna kaika ki e nei mahi.
50 songs in 4 months?
Yeah.
Man!
I get real creative, you know.
Ko te reo tērā, ne? Ka piki haere me ki, te aroha o te hunga pāke ki tō tātou reo. Tō rātou mātauranga mōhiotanga rānei ki tō tātou reo. Ka nui haere te wāhanga ki a tātou waiata me tō tātou reo.
If you were a singer, what kind of music would you put out?
R&B, hip-hop. I want to bring the Motown sound back.
And what kind of music do you like, same as your brother?
No, I like reggae and soul music and stuff.
What do you like about it?
Oh, I don't know, reggae it's mean because like, you can just dance slow to it and it relaxes you and stuff.
What about techno?
Oh, nah, they're just dumb. That's too energetic. Sit home and listen to Bob Marley.
Ahakoa e noho whakakeke ana nā waiata Māori, e whakapono ana Ria Hall, ka tae e nā waiata Māori, te eke ki nā taumata auraki.
I think anyone can, provided they've got the right tools and the right song. You have listened to a lot of the songs that are out there today in the pop culture. Very, very catchy, very simple, very straightforward tunes. So I think anyone that has a love of music has the mechanism to do that, and anyone that's actually good at executing it can quite easily get there. It might only be one song, but it's still a crack into the mainstream.
Ko Lorraine Barry te kai whakahaere nā kai waiata pēnei a Dave Dobbin me Beck Runa. Anei ana kupu tohu tohu.
There's no point in trying to be a pop singer or a mainstream artist if you're not going to make music that would reach the mainstream. But there's nothing wrong with not reaching the mainstream. Music is music. Music will move people no matter what the genre. So find your target and stick with what you do and be the best at what you can do.
E whakai katoa ana a Ria.
We may be doing it differently and we may be doing it in our own language, but that's what makes us unique, and it identifies us as being from this land, and I think that's a huge achievement And it's taken quite a long time for that to happen, but we have to thank people like Tuiteka, Pātea Māori Club Dalvanius Prime, the show bands for allowing that pathway to be paved, Herbs, you know, all of those pioneers that have allowed people like me to carry on that mahi and try and take it to the next level.